Magkahalong gulat at lungkot ang naramdaman ng pamilya Cornejo sa sentensyang ipinataw kay Denise. Personal na ikinwento sa akin ng lolo ni Denise ang kanilang naging reaksyon nang marinig ang hatol. Narito ang aking eksklusibong report. Kuha ang litratong ito bago basahan ng hatol ang modelong si Denise Cornejo para sa kasong serious illegal detention for ransom na isinampa ni Vong Navarro. Buo ang suporta kay Denise ng kanyang pamilya, ang kanyang nanay, kapatid at lolo. Nakapanayam ko ang lolo ni Denise na si Rod Cornejo at ikinwento niya sa amin ang naging reaksyon ng kanilang pamilya nang marinig ang hatol.
Well, we're both shocked, very shocked because we didn't expect such a verdict. And of course, very sad to know that a member of our family will go to prison. It's very difficult, Cheryl. But we will keep on praying.
Nakita rin daw ni Rod ang katapangan ng kanyang apo sa pamangkin sa kabila ng mabigat na sentensyang reklusyon perpetua.
She never said a word. She was quiet. She did not scream. She did not go berserk. Or if you want to use main defensors, she didn't go ballistic, okay? She was very reserved. Her composure was there. When her mother was crying, she cried with her mother. I pity her mother, her mother. I am asking her mother to be strong.
Dagdag pa ni Rod na apektuhan ang karir ng kanyang apo sa pamangkin dahil sa kasong may kaugnayan kay Vong Navarro na tumagal ng 10 taon. Masakit daw ito sa kanya bilang lolo, lalo't alam niyang marami pang plano si Denise para sa kanyang kinabukasan.
What hurts me is seeing my grandniece, who has spent for 10 years, she has not been free, a lady whose career has been practically demolished, okay? Her career path was demolished by somebody, okay, who may seem to have a different view of women.
Ipinagpapasa Diyos na lang daw ng pamilya Cornejo ang nangyari, pero susubukan nilang umapila pa rin na payagang makapagpiyansa si Denise. Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosim po, huwag maging huli at maging una sa lahat sa balitaan. Para sa tuloy-tuloy na talakayan sa Frontline, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.